Next couple of days. A lot of cloud around, admittedly, but if you're at all concerned about the oil plume, then it's going to be moving southwards across parts of London in towards Sussex throughout the rest of this afternoon. But for many of us, it's going to be a dry story across England and Wales. Admittedly, there are some banks of cloud around, but there will be some breaks, giving us some brighter skies with some sunshine. And out of that wind coming in from the north or northwest, it's not going to feel too bad. 7 or 8 isn't too bad for this time of the year. But we'll see more thicker cloud up towards northwest England and especially western and northern Scotland, just giving us a little bit of light rain, a little bit of drizzle there, blown in the blustery westerly wind, but it will be mild technically for the north of Scotland there at 10 degrees. A rather chilly 5 degrees for Belfast, though. They've had some mist and fog this morning, which is now clearing, and we should see some brighter weather for the southeastern part of Northern Ireland and the majority of Wales, along with southwest England. If you can keep out of the wind and you're in the sunshine, then temperatures of 7 or 8 degrees aren't going to be too bad at all, and it will be a much drier and brighter afternoon for the Channel Islands compared to that of yesterday. So through this evening and tonight, there's not an awful lot of change in our weather. Admittedly, for most of us, it's going to be dry, perhaps a little bit of light rain across western and northern coasts of Scotland. We'll see a lot of cloud around, some clear spells, perhaps a little bit of local mist, but not as cold or as frosty as last night. Temperatures getting down to around 3 or 4 degrees, but it is really going to be quite mild for many parts of the country. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're looking at a lot of cloud once again, but a generally dry picture. For Northern England, we should see some cloud, but also some brighter breaks, and with the sunshine lifting temperatures up to around 8 degrees. So once again, not too bad a day. And as we move further south over the rest of England and Wales, we're looking at dry weather once again. There will be cloud from time to time, but also some brighter spells, and with a little bit of sunshine and those light northerly winds, temperatures of 8 or 9 degrees aren't going to feel too bad at all. Now into Wednesday night, into Thursday, we see a band of cloud moving in from the north. That'll just bring the odd splash of rain as it moves southwards, centred over central England and Wales through Thursday. Mild to the south of it, but it will be turning fresher to the north. And then as we go into the end of the week, should I say, it will be turning colder as we would see winds starting to come in from the north, and they'll certainly be introducing some colder weather across northern Scotland, with temperatures just a few degrees above freezing, but still technically mild as we head further south. Now back to